Tonight, a former Cal Fire firefighter is back in court after being accused of indecent exposure again. Police in Folsom arrested the 34-year-old suspect for lewd conduct, at two businesses last weekend. ABC 10's Roxanne Elias was inside the courtroom today and has more.
Former Cal Fire firefighter Clifford is in court again, facing new charges after being accused of exposing himself numerous times in Folsom. Folsom police say they responded to the Barnes & Noble at the Palladio after receiving reports of a man engaging in lewd conduct inside the store on August 1st around 6 in the evening. He was arrested on August 4th, and he is also suspected of other incidents.
We have a similar case within our city that occurred earlier this year that this individual is a suspect of as well. That investigation is still ongoing, and he has not been arrested in relation to that investigation.
In another case from March of 2024, the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office says Robinson exposed himself at a Quick Quack car wash on Sunrise Boulevard in Rancho Cordova. The Sheriff's Office says a report was taken and he was later arrested on the related warrant in May. During his hearing on Thursday, the judge pointed out that Robinson was already out on bail or in pretrial for a similar case. He was then assigned a public defender. Robinson's public defender spoke with him, then addressed the judge, telling him her client is pursuing mental health diversion and has a private therapist. She also added he was not yet on medication, but is seeking to be put on medication for anxiety disorder, and that he would be willing to wear an ankle monitor if he was granted a bail motion. However, the DA's office came back and also mentioned he was on bail for similar conduct and charges. She then explained what happened during the incident in Folsom, pointing out that he had lowered his pants while doing a lewd act and walking around Barnes & Noble, and that he tried to take a picture of someone. She went on to say he then went to the sun and shade and looked underneath the dressing room while also masturbating. She made the request that the judge set a date for a further arraignment until other victims could be notified of his bail review. Lieutenant Lou Wright also says they're looking for more possible victims.
Detectives are still interested in speaking with anyone that was in the Palladio shopping center on the 1st around 6 p.m. or prior or a little after.
That was ABC 10's Roxanne Elias reporting. According to court records in Santa Cruz County, he was also found guilty of indecent exposure in 2015. He's due back in court next week.